Hello, the latest film I've seen is Maggie Moore. It's two Maggie Moores, two women who are found dead a week apart in the same town. And when I first read the synopsis, I was not keen to see the film. I'm not keen on films that involve violence against women, quite a barrier. The first scene was a woman running for her life. So it was a difficult decision to watch it because I'd read a couple of things that seemed to suggest it was quite funny. It seemed a dark comedy. It took quite a while before I saw any humour at all. Murder seems to be a major element of films, entertainment in general. Murder mystery, games like Cluedo, I suppose it's part of the thought experiment. It's the what ifs. It's better if it happens in fiction than real life. So I gather there might be some true life elements. There's something at the start about some of this actually happened. However, I persisted with this film. It stars John Hamm, who plays the detective who investigates the two cases that follow quickly on from one another. John Hamm I actually like a lot as an actor. He stars alongside Tina Fey. She plays Rita, who happens to be a neighbour of one of the Maggie Moore victims in this story. She's got a pivotal role. Her observations help with John Hamm's character's pursuance of the case. And there's a few really nasty characters. One, Jay Moore, the ex-partner of one of the victims. There's this bust-up at the start of the film. Jay gets involved in some really dodgy characters and he pays for someone to give his ex-wife a fright, and of course things start to go wrong. That's where the story develops. Then things get really nasty. The interesting part of the film is the humour builds up, I think, towards the end of the film, and I found myself laughing quite a lot. I'm glad he stuck with the film. I really enjoyed it as the tension builds, as it becomes more of a dark comic thriller. Whilst there's heartbreak, real nasty elements, I found the script really gripping. I'd give it a score of 8.5 out of 10. It was really an interesting film, and there's romance as well. It's the positive and the negative sides of life. Intelligent detective work, how the police work in finding out what's actually been going on. That makes a really gripping film. Why is it so often women who are murdered? There's so much violence against women in real life. I prefer it when women have the upper hand. Films like Revenge. It's worth watching the trailer to decide. Love to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.